Hey there, dears and car enthusiasts! Welcome back to our Weekly Tools channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the ANCEL HD3400 full system heavy-duty truck scanner. This bad boy is packed with features designed to help you diagnose and troubleshoot even the most complex issues in your heavy-duty truck. Whether you're a professional mechanic, a fleet manager, or a DIY enthusiast who wants to take control of your truck's maintenance, the HD3400 is a powerful tool to have in your arsenal. Let's get started. The ANCEL HD3400 is a diagnostic tool designed for heavy-duty trucks. It can be used to diagnose a wide range of problems, including engine, transmission, ABS, seniors, and more. It is also capable of performing DPF regeneration, which can help to clear soot buildup and maintain engine performance. Here are some features and functionality. All system diagnostics. Forget juggling multiple scanners for different systems. DPF regeneration. One of the standout features is the DPF diesel particulate filter regeneration function. Wide truck compatibility. The HD3400 boasts impressive compatibility with over 98% of US diesel trucks. OBD functions. Of course, the HD3400 also handles standard OBD functions like reading and clearing trouble codes, viewing live data streams, and performing I/M readiness checks. The scanner has a user-friendly interface with a bright, colorful display. It offers lifetime software updates, so you'll always have access to the latest diagnostic information. Plus, it's compact and portable, making it easy to take on the go. Benefits and use cases. Save time and money. By diagnosing and fixing issues yourself, you can avoid costly trips to the mechanic and potentially save thousands of dollars over time. Peace of mind. Knowing exactly what's going on with your truck gives you peace of mind on the road. You can identify potential problems early on and address them before they become major headaches. Increased confidence. With the HD3400, you gain the confidence to tackle maintenance tasks and repairs with ease. ANCEL HD3400 full system heavy-duty truck scanner. Pros and cons. Pros: extensive compatibility, user-friendly interface, multiple diagnostic functions, 2-in-1 functionality, free lifetime updates. Cons: potential compatibility issues, not for all repairs, limited warranty. Overall, the ANCEL HD3400 full system heavy-duty truck scanner is a comprehensive and powerful tool that can save you time, money, and frustration. It's perfect for professional mechanics, fleet managers, and anyone who wants to take control of their truck's maintenance. If you're serious about keeping your heavy-duty truck running smoothly, the HD3400 is definitely worth considering. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.